Assalam Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you will find it cool and beneficial. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of turban or shima, you guys contact to my own brand, AD. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you tie a beautiful blade turban that I'm tying right now. So let's see how can you tie it.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next video.